Welcome to the very first video in our React series. Today we are answering a super important question. What is React? If you are new to web development or just curious about how modern websites are built, you are in the right place. Let's dive. So what exactly is React? React is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially the part that users see and interact within your browser. It was created by Facebook, and guess what? Big companies like Instagram, Netflix and WhatsApp use it too. It helps developers build fast, dynamic websites without writing ton of code over and over. Before React, making a website interactive was really messy and time consuming. React changes the game. Instead of updating part of the web page manually, React takes care of it for you, smartly updating only the part that changed. Think of it like this. If you are building a to-do list, React will automatically update your list when you add a new item without refreshing the whole page. Cool, right? React works with something called components. A component is like a reusable building block. You can create one for a button, a card, a navbar, anything. These components are combined to build full web pages. It's like playing with Lego. So why should you care about learning React? It's super popular in the job market, makes your code clean and usable, help you build modern website fast, and it's backed by a strong community. That's a quick intro to React. We are just getting started, and trust me, it's going to be a fun ride. If you enjoy this, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the video. See you in the next one.